Hello children, in the last class we have discussed about the question number 6, isn't it? I think I have given question number 7 as homework. Let us start that question. Given that the length and breadth of a rectangular piece is a flat R in the ratio 5:3. If the total cost of fencing it at the rate of 48 rupees per meter is 19,200, find its length and breadth. It is given ratio of the length and breadth, total cost of fencing, and a rate per fencing is also given. First we have to find we have to find this length and actual length and breadth. Only ratio is given. How will you connect these given terms to find the answer? First of all, look at this. We know that when for cost of in the above questions also we have studied to find the cost of fencing, what we have to do, perimeter into rate. That was the formula we have used, perimeter into rate. Okay, thus here is given rate and total amount is given. That means perimeter into rate is equal to cost of fencing. So rate is given, cost of fencing is given. Using these two we can find what is perimeter. Thus 19,200 is divided by 48, you will get the perimeter. Okay, I will show how will you solve it. Look at this. Cost of fencing is 19,200. It is perimeter into rate. So perimeter equal cost of fencing divided by rate. So 19,200 divided by 48, you will get 400 meter as the perimeter. But it is given that the ratio between length and breadth is 5:3. So perimeter equals, when we give this, let us assume that length is equal 5x and breadth equals 3x. We are using algebraic method. Perimeter equals 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into length plus breadth is equal 400. 5x plus 3x will get 8x. So 2 into 8x is 400. 2 into 8 you will get 16. 16x equal 400. X equal 400 by 16, that is 25. So we can find the actual length equals 5x. Give the value of x over here. 5 into 25, 125. Breadth equals 3x. That is 3 into 25, 75 meter. So we can calculate length and breadth. Now next question. The wire is in the shape of a square, is of side 20 centimeters. That means a wire is bent into the shape of a square. If the wire is bent into the rectangular of length 24, find its breadth. That is a wire is bent like the form of a square, and its one side is given as 20 centimeter. And we know that perimeter of this perimeter of a square equals 4 into side. That means when the same wire is reconstructed or rebended into the form of a rectangle, its length is 24 and you have to find breadth. That means both the wire shaped square and rectangle is we are forming using the same wire. That is, from the question we can understand that the wire which is used to shape the square, the same wire is we are using to form the rectangle. But the one side of a square is 20. From this we can find perimeter of that square is 4 into 20. You will get 80 meter. Meter or centimeter. In the question it is given that 20 centimeter. Okay, 80 centimeter. That means the perimeter of this rectangle is also same, because the same wire is used to bend into another form. Okay, look at here. This is the wire. This wire is I am bending in the form of a square. Suppose it is not a correct shape. Let's look at here. I have bent the square, that wire in the shape of a square. Now the same wire is we are going to bend. Suppose it is a 20 centimeter. So we will get the perimeter. That means when we measure from this point to this boundary, this is the perimeter. That is the length of that wire. That is, when we straighten, it become Its total length is 80 centimeter. Now the same wire is we are bending to form a rectangle. That means rectangle means opposite sides are equal, and now look at that, the same wire I have bent into the form of a rectangle. That means the length is same, but its side measurement is different. In the above figure we have 20 centimeters all the four sides, but in this is a rectangle shape, one side is 24, another side we have to calculate. This is the form we are using here. Okay, this is 20 centimeter. So now we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So length is given as 24, perimeter is the same. So 2 into 24 plus breadth equals 80, or we can use the formula perimeter breadth equals perimeter by 2 minus length. Here perimeter is 80 by 2 minus length is given as 24. That is 40 minus 24. You will get the answer. 40 minus 24, 6, 3, 16 will be the breadth of this rectangle. Okay. And now the ninth question I will give you as homework. For using the same formula, perimeter, breadth and length, using the formula you have to solve the question. Do it as homework. Now moving to 10th question. The cost of fencing of a field. The questions we have discussed. 7th question is about the rectangle, but here is about the square. That is only the difference. Look at here. The cost of fencing a square field in the rate of 75 rupees per meter is 67,500. What is the perimeter, and find the side of a square? How will you find this perimeter? We know that cost of fencing equals perimeter into rate. So perimeter equals cost of fencing divided by rate. That is 67,500 divided by 75. That will get perimeter. Now this is a square. Perimeter equals 4 on this side. So to find the side of a square equals perimeter divided by 4. Look at here. I have solved for you. So cost of fencing is 67,500. Perimeter equals 67,500 by 75. 900 meter is the perimeter. One side equals perimeter by 4. 900 by 4, you will get 225 meter as one side of a square. It's very easy, but you have to by heart the formula. 11th one, the length and breadth of a rectangle are 36 centimeter and 28 centimeter if its perimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square. Find the square of a square. So just like we have discussed the question about the wire, using the wire question, just like the same method we have to solve this. The length and breadth of a rectangle is given. Using the length and breadth you can find the perimeter of the rectangle, but it is given the clue that the perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of that rectangle. So what measurement perimeter you got in the first term you can use as the perimeter of the square in the second part. Using that perimeter you can find the side of a square. Look at here. Length and breadth is given. Perimeter equals 2 into L plus B. That is 128 centimeter I got given. Perimeter of rectangle equals perimeter of the square. So we can take the perimeter of the square as 128. Now we can find the side of a square equal 128 by 4. You will get 32 as the centimeter as the one side. That much is questions for square and rectangle. Now we are moving to. Now we are discussing about the perimeter of the circle. That means circumference. The radius of a circumference is given as 21. Find the circumference. The pi value of pi is 3. 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 means 22 by 7. 3 into 7. 21 plus 1. 22. That is the given. You can use the direct formula. The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. C equals circumference we are noted by C. 2 pi r. 2 into pi 22 by 7 into r is radius 21. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. We can cancel this 7 and 21 3. 6 into 22 we can multiply. 6 into 22 we will get 170. Sorry, 22 into 6. 12 carry 132 centimeter. Okay, that is the perimeter. Now question number 30. There is also the circumference is given. You have to find the radius and then diameter. The same formula we are using. Pi value of pi is given as 22 by 7. 2, that is 2 pi r equals 440. We have to calculate r. So r equal 440 divided by 2 pi, that is 440 by 2 into value of pi equals 22 by 7. When is a fraction, that is when we take the reverse, 440 by 2 into 22 into 7. When we calculate, we will get, we can 22 and 44, we can divide it by 22 into 2, 20. That is when we cut it, we will get 10, that is answer will be 70, radius will be 70. If you want to calculate diameter, also diameter equals 70 into 2, that is 140 centimeter. That will be the answer. Okay, moving to 14th question. I will just the same questions is given. Diameter of a circle is given 56. Then you can, from this you can calculate a radius. Then from this you can calculate radius. Find the circumference using the formula 2 pi r. You can find the circumference. Now the third part is cost of fencing. The rate, that circular plot, the rate of 80 rupees per meter. That means, look at here, diameter is given as 56, so radius equal 56 by 2, 28. Now circumference equal 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7, 28. You will get 176 as its diameter circumference. Rate per fencing is 80 rupees. So cost of fencing equals circumference into rate. 176 into 80, you will get the amount. Okay. And now question number 15. Here is 2 radius is given. Find the difference between their circumference. Using the first and second radius, you can find the circumference separately and take the difference. Using 2 pi r, first radius r1 equals 20, and take the second radius r2 equals 13. You can separately calculate the radius and perimeter, circumference, and you can take the difference. Otherwise, 2 pi r1 minus 2 pi r2, using this form same directly you can find out. It is 2 into pi is common, 2 pi we can take it as common, r1 minus r2, that is 2 pi into 20, radius 20 minus 30, that is 2 into pi into 20 minus 30, you will get 7. Now you can give the value of pi, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 will be cancelled. 22 into 2, that is 44 centimeter will be the difference. You can directly calculate the difference. So just like separate you can find the circumference, first circumference, second circumference, then take the difference. That way also you can find out the answer. Now the 16th one, the diameter of a circle is given. From this you can calculate radius equal diameter by 2, that is 42 by 2, 21. Find its perimeter. Perimeter means circumference, that is 2 pi r. If the circumference of circle is doubled, what the amount you got here, you have to take the double. That is the second part you have to take. What will be the radius of the new circle? That means using the doubled perimeter, you can find the radius of that section. All this time you have to take the perimeter pi equals 22 by 7. Look at here. Diameter radius equals 21. Perimeter you have calculated, means circumference we will calculate 2 pi r, and we take 132. The question is given, the perimeter is double, that is perimeter into 2, 132 into 2. You will get 264 as the perimeter. Using this new perimeter, you have to find the new radius. So when the perimeter will be doubled, radius also will be doubled, isn't it? That we have to prove from this question. So radius, we will take the second radius at the larger one. So we will take capital R. Use the radius of the new circle equals 2 pi capital R equals 264. This radius equal to 64 by 2 pi. When we take the calculation, we will get 42 as the radius. Look at here, first radius is 21, second one, when the perimeter is double, radius is also double. From this question we can understand that. Now 17th one, the perimeter of a square and the circumference of a circle are equal. That means that the amount is equal. The form, you don't remember, think about the formula. That means the answer, final answer, the length is same, because the perimeter is the outer boundary length, you know. If the length of each side of a square is 22, find the perimeter of a square first. How will you find the perimeter? 4 into side, that is 422. That is, you will get 88 as the perimeter. Circumference is given that both are same. Perimeter of the square and circumference of the circle is equal. So the answer of the second term, circumference circle is, you can take it as same, 88 centimeter. Now find the radius of the circle. That is, you can use the formula 2 pi r equals 88. From this formula you can find the radius also. Okay. Now moving to 8th one. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference is equal to sum of circumference of the radius having 15 centimeter and centimeter. That means two circles are given here with the radius 15 and 8. Now using these two radius, when we have to add these two perimeters, you will get a new circle that you have to find the radius of that new circle. Okay, the steps are, I will show you. R1 is 15, R2 is 8 centimeter. Different radius, so we have taken R1 and R2. Using that, we have calculated the perimeter 30 pi and 60 pi. This type of question, more than one or two circles or